Does it become overwhelming for you when it comes to managing multiple projects? If yes, then you are not alone. It's easy to drop the ball when you have too much to juggle. And then we start to lose focus and motivation on what is important and what should be completed first. In this video, let me tell you 5 strategies for managing multiple projects. Plan ahead. It's all about planning. You need to list down all project objectives, goals, and tasks with clear deadlines. Then list out roles and responsibilities on those tasks. Delegate effectively, which is telling your team what you are trying to achieve, and then leave it on their judgment. Do not micromanage, because you want to focus on what will be done and by when it will be done, and you don't have to focus on how it will be done. Prioritize your work. All projects are different and require your different attention span. Some projects are required to be followed up weekly, some daily, and some require you to be constantly alert on what's happening in the project. Setting task priorities is the key to success with managing multiple projects, and it will also help you to create a flow to work. Be less experimental when it comes to managing different projects. Use standard templates and try replicating your success formula of one project to another. If you feel like something needs to be improved, then update the template and replicate to other projects. Now, since you have done planning, prioritization of the task, and finalize the template, now it is important to list down all activities from all the projects into a single tool, which can be used as a checklist or a reminder for the task which needs to be done. There are many tools available in the market, like Microsoft OneNote, Excel, Asana, Todoist, and many others. However, a single Excel file containing all project summaries can also do magic for you. I was using Microsoft OneNote for the longest period of time for managing different projects. I have provided a link to download a simple template in the description given below. Now, this is one of the most important things which you can do for yourself for not getting overwhelmed while managing different projects. Focus on the highest value activity. Block some time in your calendar to think and check on the existing project. This time can also be utilized for surprises and upcoming priorities. Learn to say no so that you can say yes to strategic priorities. I hope you will follow the tips mentioned in the video for managing different projects. Do let me know your feedback, and if you have any additional tips, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you later.